The Iowa Department of Transportation welcomes you to our virtual edition public information meeting for the proposed culvert replacement on Iowa 9, approximately 1.4 miles west of County Road K60 near Rock Rapids in Lyon County. This presentation will discuss the project location, project background, the project detour, adjacent property owners, as well as the project schedule and cost. The map illustrates the project location, which is on Iowa 9, approximately 1.4 miles west of County Road K60 near Rock Rapids. The project scope of work includes removing the existing twin reinforced concrete box culvert and constructing a new single reinforced concrete box culvert. Iowa 9 will be closed during construction and an off-site detour will be utilized. The detour would follow County Road K60 south at the intersection of Iowa 9 and County Road K60 to County Road A34, then west on County Road A34 to US 75, then north to the intersection of Iowa 9 and US 75. Permanent acquisition will be needed from an adjacent property owner. The DOT will be in contact with the property owner to discuss. The project is anticipated to have a project letting in the spring of 2027. Construction will begin in the late spring 2027, and the project will be complete sometime in the fall of 2027. The estimated cost of the project is $400,000. The Iowa DOT would like to thank you for taking the time to watch our presentation. We welcome your questions and comments. The preferred method to contact us is by using the online link shown here. You will need to provide your name and email before commenting. If you would rather contact us by email or phone, please use the email shown or leave a voicemail as shown. All comments should be received by Monday, November 24th, 2025.